Alright guys, so I just thought I'd come back. I've got a camera today. I don't know how good it is. I bought it on Facebook garage sales for like $10. Yeah. It's probably not the best camera. I don't even know if there's a microphone. We'll see. But, so, I'm going to do the exhaust today. Or at least try to do the exhaust today. And weld the Ford controls that I bought back on because I'm a moron and thought, hey, I want to see how it's going to fit. I only put like 2 tacks on it, put my foot on it, and it fell off. So, this is what I got to do. That's going to get welded back on. Trying to zoom in for you. Might not be able to see it very well because it's not a good camera. And yeah, so the exhaust go on there. I've got bolts, I've got the start, I've got some pipe. I'm going to put that together, I hope. But we'll see. Alright, so I know it's not pretty, but planning on going through and re-welding this whole frame, everything I've welded onto it, and cleaning everything up, using a flap disc on all the stuff like that crap. And seeing where it goes from there. So this is my brother Zach. He apparently can't tell time. He's supposed to be my cameraman now, but he can't figure out how to work a camera either. So camera's plugged in right now because for some reason the battery's dead already. That's what happens when you buy a camera for $10 on Facebook garage sale. That other pipe go? So, what I could do is take that and make it work its way over to that side. So both come out the same side. But I don't know if I want to do that. What do you think, Zach? I embarrassed him into taking the camera. Now he's not going to talk because he doesn't want you to hear what he sounds like. Because he doesn't sound smart because he can't tell time. But actually, I'm really proud of my brother. He's a good guy. I don't know what he's doing right now. He's something on the floor. But yeah, no. We're gonna work on this. I'm not sure if it's gonna work the way I want it to. I'm gonna do the best I can with my incredibly limited knowledge of this. Zach knows more about this than I do. You can ask him; he'll tell you. I'm also old, so. I think what I am going to do is cut the ends off these. There's a collar that I don't need. So yeah. Jeez.
No, it's a 40. That might have been the simplest thing I've ever done.
So. Old man noises. That's what this sounds like. Old. Where's your charger? Step. Oh, there's the exhaust. Now I just got to weld it. I think it looks okay. What do you think, Zach?
It looks good. It's fitted on. The other side's been done also.
So serious. No need to be so serious. I think that's going to look good. Again, this is going to be a rat bike at first, and hopefully I'll be able to build it into nicer. But if not, such is life. Alright, now for welding. Part of the problem of working in a shed is everything is extension cords from the house. Because who puts electricity in a shed? Is it safe? No. Is it smart? No. Do I care? No. It's a family tradition, though. Right, Dad? Oh, and anyone who hasn't seen, I put a fancy dancy ground spot on here. Has no other purpose. There they are. Kids never get fat. And I can say that it's not fat shaming because I am. Yeah. Zach's worried he's gonna go blind. He probably will. Two days. All this class requires 2 days. I don't know why. The light's on. I guess electrical. I guess. Again, I'm going to take this apart, fully weld the parts at some point. Not today. Just at some point. So, yeah, I gotta get this whole thing torn apart anyway. Re-weld everything. And flat disc everything. And make it not look like a crappy welder. They say it's forecast faster than at the schools. Come on, it's a power fist welder that I can't turn off. Alright. Yes, I turned the switch off. Still not off. If I touch that thing to anything that's grounded, it will still start welding. It's the only way to turn it off. Go to my Patreon. Don't have one, but I should. Buy me a new welder. I would really appreciate it. Alright,
Pause.